Hey, what is up guys? It's Jason here and we're back with another unboxing video, and my stomach hurts really badly, so we're just gonna make this as quick as possible. We have another package from Mike's Militaria. It's another military surplus website that I order stuff from. We're just gonna feel it so I can figure out what to cut. Yeah, let's just get right into it. We're gonna figure out what's on the inside. I think what I'm gonna do is just cut off the top a little. Hopefully I don't cut anything. Okay, there we go. Actually, you know what? That's going in the garbage next to me because now I have a new garbage can. It's no longer the automatic garbage can. Sorry for you guys that are hoping that I had an automatic garbage can. It's just a regular one. So here's what we have. We have another field jacket because for some reason I keep getting those. It's in shrink wrap. We have another sticker. I think this is just gonna be like the Americana Pipe Dream one. I'm just gonna like keep on getting stickers and I'm gonna figure out what to do with them. Maybe I'll sell them. I don't know. So we're just gonna take out the shrink wrap real quick. According to the website, this is unissued, so no one has ever worn this yet. So it's in brand new condition. At least that's what I'm hoping. So this is a, oh, it's in pins. Okay, I gotta take out the pins. Yeah, see those pins here. It has like a sort of cardboard thingamajig that like kind of keeps it together. There's a lot of pins on this thing, isn't there? It's gonna take a while. My stomach hurts really badly. I don't know why. It has the little cardboard thingamajig, so it looks in a more presentable version. This is Czech VZ95 leaf camo. I think, yeah, it has the patch on here too, which is pretty nice. So this is a camo. You can tell it was adopted in 1995. It's basically just another variant of M81 Woodland, which is what a lot of nations kind of copy their camo off of, because it's pretty effective and it's, you know, a very simple camo to copy. You can create different variants of it. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna throw this on, see how it fits. I ordered this in large. Hopefully there isn't any problems to it. Yeah, so the tag is in Czech, which is really nice. Oh, look at the sleeves. Whoopsies. I gotta buckle them on. I didn't know that they were unbuckled. For the other unboxing videos, unfortunately, those are gonna have to wait because I'm very busy watching anime and as well as playing some of that Halo Infinite. So those videos are gonna have to wait. By the time this comes out, I'm assuming all my other videos have been edited because I'm just going in order. Yeah, you can watch those while you wait for this one. I just gotta put the buttons on the cuffs because I didn't know that they came like that, which is annoying, but it is what it is. Yes, yes sir. All right, now let's put it on. Yeah, so this is in brand new condition. It hasn't been worn yet, which is nice. You don't get too many of those. Usually a lot of the surplus field jackets I get are very worn up to a certain condition. Like, they're wearable, they're not trash or anything. It's just, you can tell that, you know, the age has shown. It's been worn a lot. Versus here, it's pretty new, and this one's probably the thinnest I've ever had a field jacket. Like, it's very, very thin. It's like very paper thin. I don't think there are any more buttons. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, there we go. VZ95 leaf camo. It's there to complement my Slovak M97 field jackets. This is, again, probably the most paper thin field jacket I've had so far. It doesn't even feel like a jacket. It feels more like a dress shirt than anything else. But it's good. I like it. It's a good fit, especially for a larger dude like me. I rated it a 10 out of 10. I like the pattern. It's very basic and yet very unique. Again, it is a copy of the Woodland camo that like every nation on earth uses. Apart from some, there are some nations out there that don't use the Woodland camo because they have their own unique camouflage. Am I putting this on correctly? I feel like for some reason it's not on correctly because, is it? I think it is. Okay, yeah, it is. Yep. That's it for the video. Highly recommend buying stuff from Mike's Militaria. He does deliver on his promises. If he says that the surplus jacket has been used, just know that it's gonna have some wears and tears, but it's not gonna be like a hunk of cotton just like balled up in the package. No. You're getting an actual, you know, jacket, field pants, whatever it may be. Wearable, but it will have its wear and tear. Versus this one is brand new out the box, I think. It's pretty neat. You don't get to see a whole lot of those. It's usually just a lot of like worn and torn stuff. But anyways, that's it for the video. Let me know down below what you think of the Czech VZ95 leaf camo. I actually want to try this on during the summer and see if I can blend in with the surroundings, because I kind of live in the hills, and in the hills there's a lot more greenery, I guess. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one, because I really gotta use the bathroom.
Think Kim heard about Black Lives Matter, What's the matter, What's the static, yeah, give me that paddock, Capitalism with a capital K, KKK, yeah. Got all my niggas again, they should've taken, huh?